If you know you've been throwing away your avocado seeds and you're struggling with slow hair growth, please come to the front because this video is for you. What if I told you that this part of the avocado where most people throw away could actually be the miracle hair growth recipe that you've been looking for? So many people know that avocados are nutritious, but very few people pay attention to the seed. In fact, the avocado seed contains a large concentration of antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds. Avocado seeds create conditions that support faster hair growth, stronger strands, reduce breakage, and better moisture retention. And this is why more and more natural hair enthusiasts are beginning to pay attention to avocado seeds. While the creamy avocado flesh gets all the praises, the seed itself contains powerful antioxidants and beneficial compounds that can help support faster hair growth, scalp health, reduce environmental stress on your scalp, and create a better foundation for a healthier and faster hair growth. So if you know you struggle with slow hair growth, excessive shedding, your hair is thinning around your edges and every other place, constant breakage, dry scalp, itchy scalp, or hair that simply refuses to retain length no matter what you do, then I'll advise you pay close attention to this video because this might actually be all you need to grow that faster and more healthier hair. So the next time you eat avocado, do not throw away the seeds. Just go ahead, grate it, shred it, or cut it into a tiny pieces just like this. And as you shred it, you're going to notice the color changing from white to pink, orange, reddish, or even brown after being exposed to air. So don't be surprised. This happens because the compounds inside this seed react with oxygen, similar to how your apple and avocado flesh can darken after being cut or exposed to air. This seed right here is very powerful, and every day countless avocado seeds ends up in the trash without people realizing that these seeds are packed with beneficial plant compounds that can take their hair growth journey from 0 to 100. Now, after cutting, shredding, or grating your avocado seeds, you're going to add it into a pot. Then go in with about 2 cups of water. Though I ended up adding extra 2 cups of water because the avocado seeds I was working with was a bit much. Now, before we add in our second ingredient, we are going to be using the boiling method to extract the nutrients of this avocado seeds. There are 2 methods you can use for this recipe. You can either infuse them or boil them, but the reason why I chose the boiling method instead of the simple soaking or infusing this avocado seed is because avocado seed is extremely hard and dense. Unlike soft herbs that can release their beneficial compounds easily into water, avocado seed has a tough structure that makes extraction more difficult. So when you boil the avocado seeds, the heat is going to help break down the tough structure and allow more of its beneficial compounds to be released into the water. And that is going to give you a more richer and more concentrated extract. I'll allow the avocado seeds to boil on its own for 5 minutes before going in with our second ingredient. And the reason for that is because avocado seed is much harder and denser than rosemary. And because rosemary can lose some of its nutrients when boiled for a longer period, so giving the avocado seeds a head start allows the hot water to begin breaking down the tough seeds and extracting more of its beneficial compounds. And I'll be using the dried rosemary. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary. So if you have the fresh one as well, you can use it. Rosemary has become popular in natural hair care due to its ability to stimulate the scalp and support healthier and faster hair growth. Many users also report that rosemary helps reduce excessive shedding, increase faster hair growth, and leaves their scalp feeling refreshed and revitalized. And I love how well rosemary pairs with avocado seeds. While avocado seeds help support scalp health through antioxidant content, rosemary complements the recipe by helping maintain a healthier scalp environment for a faster hair growth. Now I'm going to allow the 2 ingredients to simmer together for another 5 minutes. Rosemary is a much softer herb and doesn't require as much heat or cooking time as these avocado seeds. So make sure the avocado seeds seeds boiled for 5 minutes before adding your rosemary and allowing it boil for extra 5 minutes. This way, it's going to help preserve more of the rosemary beneficial properties while still allowing it to infuse beautifully into this mixture. Now, we are going to be adding one more thing into this mixture, but before that, we need to allow this mixture to cool down completely. And after it's completely cooled, we are going to strain it using a stockings, a strainer, or anything that can strain this properly. Then we are going to go in with few drops of tea tree oil. Now, this is optional, but just to make this recipe even better, I'm going to just add few drops of the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is widely used in hair care because of its cleansing and scalp refreshing properties. It supports a cleaner scalp environment, especially if you're dealing with scalp itchiness, excessive buildup, or dandruff. And now our avocado seed hair growth powerhouse is finally ready. But here is the thing, even the most potent hair growth recipe can be useless if it's not used correctly, right? There are different ways you can use this treatment, but today I'll be showing you one of the most effective methods to help support hair growth, scalp health, and length retention. So don't go anywhere because this next step is just as important as this recipe itself. This treatment is suitable for all hair types, whether your hair is straight, wavy, coily, natural, transitioning, color treated, or chemically relaxed. And now to begin the application, you're going to make sure your scalp is reasonably clean and free from excessive buildup. Next, section your hair into manageable parts if your hair is out, because my hair is already on protective style, so there will be no need for sectioning. This step is very important because it's going to help ensure this treatment reaches your scalp directly instead of just sitting on top of your hair. And once that is done, you're going to apply or spread this treatment generously into your scalp, paying special attention to areas where you may experience thinning, slow growth, or excessive shedding. Like I said, there are several methods you can use this, but I prefer to use this as a leave-in treatment. That means I don't need to rinse it out, and that allows my scalp and hair more time to benefit from the ingredients of this recipe. If you know you're tired, struggling with slow hair growth, your hair sheds excessively, your hair is thinning around your edges, your hair breaks constantly, you feel dry scalp, itchy scalp, or maybe your hair is not just growing, please and please, the next time you eat avocado, do not throw away the seed. Use it right away and make this recipe, because the benefits you're going to be getting from that single seed that probably would have gone to the trash is going to change the way you see your hair. So after applying all over my scalp, I went ahead to mix this a little on my hair strands. And after applying the treatment, I'm going to be using my fingertips to gently massage my scalp for about 3 minutes. I always preach about scalp massaging whenever you apply a treatment to your scalp, because it's going to help distribute the treatment evenly and encourage better contact between the mixture and your scalp. So make sure never to skip scalp massaging your hair each time you use this treatment. And since this treatment is water-based, it helps add moisture to your hair while supporting a healthier hair environment for faster hair growth. So I simply leave it on my scalp and my hair, then continue with the rest of my hair care routine. I applied my leave-in conditioner, then seal in with a hair grease. If you normally use a moisturizer, hair cream, or oil, you can just go ahead apply those afterwards to help seal in the moisture. For best results, use this treatment 3 to 5 times in a week. I prefer to use this treatment to mist my hair each time I want to moisturize my hair instead of using ordinary water, and that's an added advantage. And also remember to be consistent with this treatment. Using it regularly for weeks gives you a better opportunity to experience the benefits than using it occasionally. And whether your hair is natural or relaxed, healthy hair growth starts with maintaining a healthy scalp and minimizing breakage. Combined with good health care practice, this avocado seed and rosemary leave-in treatment can become a valuable addition to your routine. Store this treatment in the refrigerator because it contains no preservative. It can be used within 7 to 10 days. And if you notice any unusual smell smell or signs of spoilage, please do well to discard it and prepare a fresh batch. So next time you enjoy an avocado, think twice before throwing the seed away. And if you decide to try this recipe, let me know your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with someone who keeps throwing away their avocado seeds without realizing what they might be missing. See you on my next video. Bye.